Okay, so welcome back to my vlog. I know it's been a while, but I am just about to go on a pretty big trip. We are heading to, well, first Singapore for a day and then off to Malaysia and Borneo and Brunei for about a month. So it should be pretty good. So I got everything ready. So I got my bag packed and my day pack is packed as well. Bring my camera gear, so hopefully get some pretty good photos. First off, we've got a flight to, flight off to Sydney. Very quick flight, and then we're off to Singapore, and then I got 15 hours in Singapore, and then from Singapore head into Kuching in Malaysia. So it should be a pretty good trip, and I'll take you along. Hopefully do a few vlogs along the way as well.
No, come here.
Did you say goodbye?
Snoop!
Oh,
See you, little girlie. See ya. Have fun. Have fun. You better get walked every day.
Yeah, we'll try and walk you today, Smith. By the time we get back, it might be raining.
When we get back, I'll have to be gone.
I'll be doing this all the time for myself.
Yep.
Just be careful with your face.
Yeah.
Of course, it was the first start. For the first bit, I won't have Ashley help me.
Quickly run inside and grab my locker.
You what?
My lock.
Did
Do you have your
forget it?
case?
What case?
You,
Yeah, it's in the bag.
It's got carabiners in there.
he didn't give you one.
Yeah, I'll go and grab it. Because it would not be fun.
Delayed actually.
Ooh.
I just see a link delayed 6 hours.
Yeah.
What they've done is illegal.
So here we are in a quiet corner of Canberra Airport. Pretty tiny airport. As you can possibly see, planes out there, but it's a tiny plane off to Sydney. Luckily it seems like it's going to be on time, and hopefully it's a good start to the trip. So I've got my mum joining me on the 1st of April. Today's the 29th. I arrive into Kuching on the evening of the 30th, so it's like almost 25-hour trip. So it should be a long trip, but at least I've got a day in Singapore to explore, hopefully. See you on the flight. So here we are in Sydney. Got through everything pretty quickly. Well, not quickly, but got through everything. I've got about 20 minutes till we board, and then we're on to the 8-hour flight to Singapore. Should be pretty good. Hopefully I get a spare seat next to me, but who knows. And yeah, I'll probably talk to you on the other side. Well, or this could be the sign out, one of the two. So if it's a sign out, I'll see you tomorrow. If I see you on the flight, I'll see you on the flight.